Hi guys and welcome here. I hope you guys are doing good. As you saw, Nirvi was talking about swimming classes earlier in this video. She is very excited to go to swimming classes, but the fact is we are not able to find any slots for her for this winter and fall because they are already booked in the summer season when we were not here. So I'm trying to find out any slot if it opens or any other activity she might be interested in learning. And already Nirvi mentioned it is Friday, but it was off for her. That's why you are seeing her in this video. And because it was off for her, we took all the advantage of getting late, and because of that we are gonna be compromising with the very easy peasy breakfast, which is gonna be peanut butter sandwich. But also I'm doing a little bit of cleaning, organizing the clean dishes, and also I'm preparing lunch with that so that we are not running really behind in our schedules. And while she was having breakfast, she also pulled out this box to do, and it has 4 different categories which they can either learn from or they can play with. So like normally when your child is like 4-year-old or 5-year-old, they know all these like counting and opposites and colors, but they can still play with it in the quiet time, because you want to make sure that they are doing the activities which they already know, so they do not need you much while they are independently playing. So I'm gonna link it down below for you guys because it is very affordable yet really amazing. I really wish if I could insert the full footage, but I cannot, otherwise I will get the copyright issue. But really Nirvi loves this song so much. And now we are gonna get into the cleaning, and it took 8 hours for me to do the cleaning and cooking and playing with Nirvi, but I'm gonna be incorporating everything just in under 15 minutes so that it gives you motivation, it gives you tips and tricks, but you're also not bored. So first we are gonna take everything out of from my bed. I'm gonna be washing pillow covers, beddings, mattress the mattress protector and everything. And yes, I do put up one blanket on top of the mattress for the extra softness. And today I'm gonna be deodorizing my mattress. So before that, let me just take everything out. And we found a ladybug, in between that. She needs help. We have to take her out, okay? And now that mattress is naked, it's time to sprinkle a lot of baking soda, generous amount of it on like the mattress, so that it can absorb all the smell, the moisture, and it can kill the bacteria. So I'm gonna be just sprinkling all over the mattress and gonna be leaving it for at least 1 to 2 hours. While the mattress is deodorizing, I'm gonna put all the pillow covers, bed sheet, everything in the washer with some scent. If you do not like the scent thing, you can just avoid it, but I love doing scents on my beddings every once in a while. While mattress is deodorizing and washing machine is on, I'm gonna be cleaning out the exhaust fan filters because they are sticky and yucky. So for this, first I'm gonna wash them off with really hot water so that the gunk and oil loosen up a little bit, because don't even ask me. And after that, I'm gonna be sprinkling a lot of dish soap so that the oil can come out a little easier. And then I'm gonna be sprinkling my favorite product of cleaning, that is baking soda, all over it. And again, I'm gonna be keeping it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And yeah, till then we are gonna enjoy the lunch. Whenever I see the speed cleaning and time-lapse cleaning and beautiful cleaning videos, I always think like, I wish it was this smooth and fast, but it takes time. So here I am taking a one step at a time and doing things slowly while also enjoying the day because it's Friday. And I'm also watching Bade Achhe Lagte Hain show these days, and also Ahilya Bai Holkar serial. And now it's been 25 minutes, I guess, so I'm gonna be start rubbing it with the stainless Huh, why it's so hard? Okay, I'm gonna be rubbing it with the stainless steel brush, and I'm gonna be focusing on the areas like the handles and the small corners, because already the gunk and oil is loosened up, but these small corners need a special attention. You can also use toothbrush if you have, so that you can clean the small areas. And again, I'm using hot water to clean that up, and you can already see like they are so clean now. And when the water just flows on it, and when you see all the dirt coming, it's just so satisfying. I cannot believe how beautiful and new they are looking now. So once they are all cleaned up, I'm gonna be keeping them on the countertop so that they can dry up. And now let's focus on cleaning the chimney, for the exhaust fan. For that, I'm using all purpose cleaner. I generally don't use like lot of products in cleaning. I use like the floor cleaner and all purpose cleaner. Then we have dish soap and the washing machine liquid and all those. But if you want, you can make the your own DIY one. And for these kind of cleaning, you can use lemon juice and soda and water mixture, or you can also use vinegar and baking soda and water mixture, and you can see how freaking dirty it was. And now it's been also 1.5 hours for the mattress to sit with the baking soda. So I'm gonna be using my vacuum cleaner to take all the baking soda out from the mattress. And look how it is looking. It is looking same, but it is deodorized, and trust me, it was so satisfying to see and do this vacuuming on the mattress, because it was spending nothing, like literally nothing, but it was giving me the feeling like, yes, my mattress is fresh now. And before doing the bed, I decided to move the bed box and just clean the space over there, because you cannot imagine what you can find there. I found a lot of rubber bands and nervous pins, and also small finger toys, and lots of hair. So yeah, it's important to clean behind there. And my vacuum cleaner just is amazing. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. It is little expensive if you buy in India, but trust me, it is the best one. And it's time to do some beautiful bed making, because I love to sleep on clean bed. And trust me, when you have this beautiful view, you just want to take naps and sleep. But we are not gonna do that. Today is Friday, and we are gonna be doing a lot of cleaning. And when I was in mid of cleaning, I also decided to just talk to my friends and ask like if they have any plans, and they said no. So I invited them over. And I also told them, don't expect a lot of from me, because I'm already tired and I'm halfway in the cleaning, and I'm gonna be needing a lot of time. And you know what, laundry can wait for 1 to 2 days, but today I'm in a mood of cleaning, so I'm gonna be cleaning my sofa as well. First, taking out all the cushions. Today I did not wash the cushion covers, but I really think I should have done it, but I'll be doing it next week. So I'm just taking all the cushions and seats out, and then you can see a lot of crumbs over there. It's dirty, and this camera is not catching the hair, but there are a lot in the corners. So again, I'm gonna be using my vacuum cleaner to vacuum all the hair and the crumbs which are on top. But not only that, we are gonna be tackling the corners as well. In this vacuum cleaner, we have different settings, like what you want to clean, how you want to clean the floor, the carpet, and if you want to do these like sofa cleaning or something like that. So right now I'm just taking all the crumbs out, and then I'll be changing the the top of it, so that I can clean the corners and also inside a little bit, so that it can pull out all the hair which have been like accumulated, or all the dirt which might have been accumulated inside there. And yeah, again, the link is in the description box of this vacuum cleaner, because it's really amazing. And before I go for shower and before my friends arrive, I'm gonna be tackling this last area of my house which has been untouched for I don't know for how long, because I did not do it and I think Nimish also did not do it before coming to India. But anyways, this is the under sink area and I really love how it looks. Like, it is very functional. Whenever in our life in India or like wherever we will have a house, I will go for similar kind of under sink area because it is very functional. Anyways, so I'm just taking everything out because we have accumulated a lot of the poly bags, the grocery bags, and there are little bit of cleaning products, not too much. So just sorting them out and making a pile of poly bags because I'm gonna be using those in the bins. So we have two bins, one is for organic and one is for recycle. So I'm gonna be using the grocery bags to put all our recycle so that we are not wasting any other garbage bag. I do have garbage bag for the days when we need large bins, like when we have friends coming over or something like that. And we have been using a pack of it like from last 2 years, and trust me, it lasts for very long if you do not use them for like very regularly. Anyways, I'm just taking all the things out, cleaning them, wiping it out, because if we do not clean the garbage area or under sink area for long, it smells weird, and also you can find flies in the house because of that. So maybe a ladybug came with the smell of the food, who knows. Nirvi was asking me to play with her, and I decided to go ahead and play with her after doing this part of the house and before going to take shower, so that she just have with me one-on-one time, because it's really important. Otherwise you see a lot of change in their moods and mood swings and tantrums, all of that happens, and I just don't want her to be feel left out when I'm doing cleaning. So she did a little bit with me, she played, but it's time to have one-on-one time. And we pulled this Melissa and Doug 4 vehicle jigsaw puzzle. I'm gonna be linking it down below for you guys in the description box. I'll be putting 2 links. One is affordable one for Indians and one is for US and Canadian people. So yeah, I really hope you will enjoy more such videos in future. If you enjoyed today's video, but be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and also write down in the comment section any video ideas or request if you have for me in the future. And also write down what one thing that you're gonna be gifting to yourself in this Diwali or Christmas or any big festival that you will be celebrating. Thanks for watching. Bye.